Hey guys, it's me, Danyelle, back with another YouTube video, fresh out of bed, minus the eyebrows and my washed face. But I'm fresh out of bed to show you guys how I get into bed. So let's get into that. So as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for clicking on this video. To my oldies, what's up, y'all? What's up? So if you cannot tell by the title, we're going to be talking about my nighttime lock routine. So basically what I do to my hair every night to just, get it ready for the morning. Because I do feel like what you do at night is how you set up for your morning. So it's important. So I'm just going to share what I do with my hair. So the very, very first thing I do is take my hair down. So I tend to wear my hair back, like in these ponytails, like all the time, because I just don't like how my hair is in my face anymore. I just don't like it. I think as my hair is getting like longer, it's a lot for me now. So I tend to just pull it back all the time, but that does cause a little bit of tension. So the very, very first thing I have to do in my lock routine is to just let it hang, just let it breathe. I take off my ponytail holder and I just, shake it out. Shake it out. So what this does is just allow my hair to, relax a little bit. Cause you don't realize how much tension you have until you really take your ponytail and it's like a sigh of relief. So after taking my hair down, what I do is I oil my scalp. And if y'all don't know, but I'm using the hair crack growth oil from We Are Crowns. I mentioned that in my last video. So what I do is just go through my scalp and then I give myself a little scalp massage. This is the next part of my routine. So what I do is I just take my fingertips after going throughout my scalp with the oil and I just massage it for like 5 minutes. So I like to do this while I'm watching TV or something. It's a little relaxing moment. I have my, candles burning. So it's a real vibe. It's a real vibe. Sometimes if I'm trying to get real fancy, I might lay on my bed and hang over it. So I'm hanging upside down while I do it. But that's only if you're trying to be extra. Only if you're trying to be extra. So after my scalp massage, the next thing I do is apply my leave-in. And y'all know my good old faithful, which is the Ali Naturals a lemongrass leave-in conditioner. So what I do is I just spray it 10 pumps in my hand, rub it together, and tackle my right side. Then 10 pumps in there, tackle my left side. Then I do my back, and then I really work the product throughout my strands to make sure it's really good and moisturized. Next, we have a little culture moment, and I apply my do-rag. So me and my boyfriend argue about this all the time about how I tie my do-rag because I don't tie it the technically way you're supposed to tie it. But I tie it for what's best for my hair since, I have locks, so it is longer. So I can't do the traditional, if you had waves, tie. So I tie it a little bit like how you do a scarf, which is what I'm showing you guys here. So, you just put it on, make sure it's aligned in the center, tie it to the back, bring it to the front, make sure those things are leveled. All that jazz. Here I am, looking like Solange. Little wave god action, though I don't have waves. We're just going to scoop by that. Shout out to Harlem. So after that, everything's done. Your scalp is feeling nice and tingly and relaxed. Your hair is smelling great and it's moisturized. And it's in that do-rag where it could just sit and wait for you to take it off the next day. And all that's left is for you to go to sleep. And you have a great night. Which, if you're anything like me, you're really just going to spend 5 hours in your bed watching something or doing something and fall asleep at 3 o'clock in the morning. But we don't got to get into that. But that is my nighttime lock routine. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Share your lock routine, your nighttime lock routine in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.